Explore the features and usage of the I.C.T Ultrasonic cleaning machine. You can choose different cleaning media based on the items: tap water, alcohol, or solvents. This SMT Ultrasonic cleaner effectively cleans solder paste, flux residue, and other surface contaminants. Higher frequencies generate smaller bubbles, ideal for reaching tiny crevices and pores. Lower frequencies provide stronger cleaning power for larger, more resilient objects. You can control the power level with these two buttons. These two buttons are used to set the cleaning time. Different frequencies can be set. This button allows to pause or start at any time. Equipped with a heating function that reaches temperatures up to 120 C.